Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical. And every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible. And if you ain't already know then who be more incredible? They wanna call me crazy like I'm borderline cynical. Cause how I do it and I kill them and I hit them credible. And magically do it like this was another miracle. And if you don't like it then you can suck up on my genitals. Do a little bitch and get up off your little pedestal. And whenever you see me you better salute the general. Cause I will break it down to every single little mineral. Suck up on my testicle again when you see me counting money when the decimal again. About to cop another diamond out of Senegal again. Everybody saying that he uncomparable again. Okay. Killing everything, I think we about to have a funeral. A lot of you niggas be doing whatever you be doing, and I don't even know what to call it, just sound terrible. No one on the coffin, see we have another burial. These niggas that be rambling and babble, I ain't hearing them, and everybody know that I be handling my beat. When it come to other rappers, niggas know that I be scaring them. Chop, chop, chop. Chop another beat up, now you see the way I heat up. Everybody wanna meet up just to come inside the building and witness another killing, and I relax and throw a shot back. Put my feet up. Every beat that I'ma touch, I'ma lace, I'ma never stop, even with a muzzle on my face. When I'm finished with this shit, I'ma leave it out of trace. Nigga, kneel down, better say grace. I go ham. When I come and I hop and I skip and I rhyme and I dumb and I drop and I spit and I shine, hey, nigga, what you really wanna do? You ain't know that I'm coming to take what's mine. Every time I come and hit you with a little bit of killer, better know that you can never see me, little nigga, while I'm at the top. I will never stop when a nigga pop. See the way I run it and leave a nigga better. Know that when I do my thing and I bang, with a boom, with a bomb and a bang. Everybody know that when it comes to this shit, I gotta spit, motherfucker, better crown me king. With a passion and a lot of action, see the way you grab them. How you do it? Now they wanna ask him how a nigga smash him, see the way you have him, drag him to it. Hey. Now you gotta know what a nigga do all day. Count bread, make a nigga wanna bounce heads when I drop heat in these streets, okay? You shit with a gear shit gimmick, and I hope a lot of niggas live in that clinic. It don't really matter who you wanna ask about me, cause I'll be the fiercest with it. While I'm giving you the final chapter with a lot of laughter. See the way you capture everybody probably telling you the same shit you don't really wanna come after. Now I suggest you listen whenever you hear that the beat in the building. Trust me, this is not the place for you to bring your children. Hey, let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. Go! See, they really wanna pop me. Go! Just know that you will never flop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky. Go! You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it. Then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, about a bing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clear to a couple niggas that I always win and then I gotta get it again and again and again. And I be doing it to death and now I move a little foul. A nigga better call a rap and everybody know my style. Niggas know that I'm the best when it come to doing this. And I be banging on my chest and I bang in the east and I banging in the west. And I kinda give you more and I would never give you less. You will hear it in the street or you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next? Let's go. See the way we on it and we all up in the race. And you know we gotta go now try to keep up with the pace. And we struggling and hustling to set it and to get it. And we always gotta do it, take it to another place. Gotta taste it and I gotta grab it. And I gotta cut all through this traffic just to be at the top of the throne. But I know I gotta have it. Here we go now. Tell me what you really wanna do. Come here, man. Talk to a nigga, talk to me. You look like you can really give it to a nigga. But the way you're talking, the way you try to walk for me, the way you really try to put it on the guard. Doing it like I never did before for me. The way you break your back and I break your neck, and the way you try to put it on the floor for me. Come on. Oh yeah, tell me what my niggas is at. Okay. Let me bless y'all niggas one time when I lock it down and I hit you with that. That bomb shit. Y'all niggas know all day we be making it drop. Y'all niggas know every time we come through this motherfucker we be always taking a rock. So let me blow this bitch. Y'all niggas know when we come we be making it flop. The way we making it hot to make a nigga wanna stop. First shot, stop it and I drop it, then I cock another heater, pop another leader from another click. Who thought he was a creature that can never, ever get his shit popped off. Get his block knocked off. When a nigga come and when a nigga front, gotta give it to him good, give a nigga what he want. And if a nigga act up, shoot him in the hand, in the face, in the stomach, or the foot, or the heart. Oh, you don't want it, homie, you don't want to start, especially when the motherfucker see the gun fire sparks. Yeah, no problem. When I got the gun up in your mouth, I make a nigga gun talk. Bust rhymes, ace. I'ma hit him in the front, homie, hit him in the back. Keep on hitting that nigga in the chest cavity till the motherfucker lay down flat. Now look, everybody know that when I step up in the building and I'm doing what I'm doing, I be cutting up.